iRobot, a pioneer in home cleaning, has launched a new line of 2-in-1 Roomba robots, marking their largest and most comprehensive release in 35 years. These advanced robots feature enhanced suction power, improved navigation with ClearView Lidar technology for rapid mapping, and some models include AI-powered PrecisionVision. The new Roomba models, such as the Roomba Plus 405, boast 70 times more suction power than the previous 600 series and include advanced DualClean rotating mops for deep cleaning. These robots can automatically detect and avoid carpets, and are equipped with sensors to identify and maneuver around obstacles. The accompanying Roomba Home app has been redesigned for more intuitive control, allowing users to customize routines, check estimated cleaning times, and monitor filter status. The AutoWash base automates mop washing and drying, and disposes of debris, holding up to 75 days of dirt in a disposable bag. This system ensures hygienic cleaning by periodically rinsing the mops during operation and automatically cleaning them after use. Users can command the robots via the app or voice assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant.